Hi, Kipsters! I'm so excited because today our World Atlas is going to take us to North Africa. Let's get started. Africa is the second largest continent in the world with over 50 countries, a population of about 1 billion, and around 2,000 languages. The Sahara is the largest desert on Earth, covering over 5.6 million square miles. It is expanding southwards at an average of half a mile per month. The desert is not all sand, but includes gravel plains, salt flats, and mountains. Most of the people in North Africa live near the coasts or on the banks of rivers. In Egypt, 90% of the population lives on the banks of the Nile River and on its enormous delta. Cairo is the largest city in Africa with a population of 18 million. By comparison, only 2 million people inhabit the Sahara Desert. The newest country is South Sudan, declaring its independence on July 9, 2011. North Africa has the hottest place in the world. The highest temperature ever recorded was 136 degrees in El Azazia, Libya, in 1922. That's hot. Half of the Sahara receives less than an inch of rain per year, whereas some of the highest of the Tibesti Mountains receive as much as 4.7 inches annually. Africa is the continent that is most vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, as it will get even hotter due to global warming. However, the average African burns far less fossil fuel than most people on the planet. The Nile River has been used as a transport route for people and goods for over 2,000 years. The Trans-Sahara Highway from Algiers to Lagos is one of the oldest and most complete transnational highways in Africa. Here are some fun facts. Get ready. The highest mountain in the Sahara is 11,302 feet. It's a volcano called Emikusi. Due to immigration spurred by droughts, there are more Cape Verdeans living abroad than in Cape Verde itself. The nation has a domestic population of about 500,000 people, while there are more than 750,000 expatriates. Isn't it beautiful? The Great Mosque of Jinnah is the largest mud brick building in the world. The bricks insulate the building from the sun's heat, keeping it cool during the day, but they retain enough heat to keep the mosque warm at night. The Church of St. George is one of 11 churches carved into the rock in Lalibela, Ethiopia. The Nile crocodile is Africa's largest living reptile, growing to an average length of 16 feet. The 2004 locust outbreak was the largest in West and North Africa for 15 years. A typical swarm of locusts can eat as much food as 2,500 people in one day. Dates have been cultivated for so long that no one knows what region the palm trees are native to. It is thought that they originated around northern African oases. Ancient Egyptians achieved many great things, including the building of the famous pyramids of Giza, which date back to approximately 2,500 BCE. Whew! I hope you enjoyed our trip to North Africa. What's one interesting fact that you learned? So cool. Thanks for listening. See you next time.